Okay, so the entry requirements for adult matric is a grade 9 passed certificate from school, obviously with English and math. Has to be subjects. A grade 10 will work, a grade 11 will work, and a failed grade 12 will also work. Even a failed grade 10 would work, and a failed grade 11 will also work. So if you have a failed on the 10, 11, 12, and then if you have a passed on a grade 9, that will be an entry requirement for adult matric with an amended senior certificate, as well as a completed GETC qualification from an ABIT provider that's accredited with Malusi. So, I mean, obviously we have people that failed grade 9 or never went to grade 9 in South Africa, and they have the option to then complete the GETC General Education and Training Certificate at NQF1, which is accredited with Malusi. And that is generally the entry requirement. Why there's an entry requirement for it? It's easy. You have to be on a certain level of English and math always to enter a qualification. And that's the simple answer to that. If you think you're the only one with this problem, you're not. I've dealt with this problem many a times, and you're welcome to make contact with us, and we can assist you going forward.